So now we study about the sulfonamides. What are sulfonamides? Sulfonamides are the first chemotherapeutic agent for the treatment of bacterial infection. They consist of a sulfonamide group and an anilo group. This is the structure of sulfonamide. If we break the sulfonamide into two, we get a sulfonamide group which is SO2NH and an anilo group which is a benzene with NH2 group. This is a classification for sulfonamides. The sulfonamides are classified into three parts. First is systemic sulfonamide, second is intermediate, second is sulfonamide for the GIT infection, and last is tropical acting sulfonamides. So the systemic sulfonamides includes short acting sulfonamides, which includes sulfadiazine, sulfacetamide, sulfafurazole, sulfanilamide and sulfamirazine. Intermediate acting includes sulfamycin, and the long acting includes sulfamethoxypyridazine. If we classify the sulfonamide for GIT infection, it includes sulfaguanidine, pethyl sulfathiazole and succinyl sulfathiazole. For tropical acting, mefenide is basically used. Here it is written that the sulfonamide are synthetic chemotherapeutic agent which contain a sulfonamide group, SO2NH2 group. In their structure, these agents are active against certain gram-positive and gram-negative cocci, certain gram-negative bacilli and protozoa. The sulfonamide drugs are relatively easy to prepare, cheap and safe antibiotics. The antibacterial activity. The antibacterial activity of sulfonamide depend on the first a free para-amino group and a direct link of the sulfur atom of the sulfonamide group with the benzene ring. Here and this is the structure of sulfonamide. The first NH2 is for antimicrobial property. It shows the antimicrobial properties. Then here is SO2NH. This is because the sulfonamide crosses blood-brain barrier. And R is here for heterocyclic or the functional group as a substitute. So the NH2 group is for antimicrobial property and SO2 group for the crossing blood-brain barrier. From here we understand that the R group R is substituted by functional group or by the heterocyclic ring. So if R is replaced by the functional and heterocyclic group, they are then known as sulfadiazine, sulfacetamide. If sulfacetamide, if R is replaced by COCH3, means acetyl group is substituted here. So now R is replaced by an acetyl group, that is COCH3. It becomes sulfanilamide, sulfacetamide, which is N-acetyl sulfanilamide. If R is replaced by a pyrimidine ring, then it is known as sulfadiazine and its brand name is Pyrimal. If R is replaced by oxazole, then it is sulfamethoxazole. Its brand name is Zentanol. Similarly, if R is replaced by pyridine ring, then it is known as sulfamethoxypyridazine. And here four more structures, which are pithyl sulfathiazole, succinyl sulfathiazole, sulfaguanidine, where R is replaced by C double bond NH single bond NH2, and trimethoprim. Now we study about the sulfonamide definition. The sulfonamides are the antimicrobial agents which contain a sulfonamide SO2 group. They are derivative of the parent compound para-aminobenzene sulfonamide. Classification is already studied, but here it is very short-acting sulfadiazine, intermediate-acting sulfamethoxazole, long-acting sulfamethoxypyridazine, sulfonamide for bowel disease, sulfasalazine. Now it is here two things are more important. First is antimicrobial activity and second is mechanism of action. For the antimicrobial activity, sulfonamide inhibit the growth of gram-positive, gram-negative bacteria. By the mechanism of action, that is, sulfonamide have a structure similarity to para-aminobenzoic acid. It is important point that the sulfonamide have a structure similarity to the para-aminobenzoic acid. Because of this, the sulfonamide compete with the para-aminobenzoic acid for incorporation into folic acid. Here, it is also important point that for the formation of folic acid, para-aminobenzoic acid play an important role, but as here the sulfonamide compete with the para-aminobenzoic acid for incorporation into folic acid. So the sulfonamide inhibit the enzyme folic acid synthetase. So the folic acid is not synthesized and the bacteria will die. This is the absorption, fate and excretion. The more clear photo is here. Picture. The sulfonamide used for the systemic infection and rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract, that is GIT, but sulfonamide used for the local effect on the intestine are poor absorbed. As I told you that this SO2 is for crossing blood-brain barrier and this NH2 for the antimicrobial property. Here is the adverse drug reaction, which are allergic reactions like fever, skin rashes, serum sickness, and cutaneous photosensitization. Now, the preparation dose: sulfadiazine tablets 3 gram, initially followed by 1 to 1.5 gram every 4 to 6 hours. Sulfamethoxazole tablet 1 to 2 gram, initially followed by 0.5 to 1 gram every 12 hours. Similarly here, mechanism of action is for the trimethoprim, inhibit the enzyme dihydrofolate reductase. So the conversion of dihydrofolic acid to tetrahydrofolic acid is inhibited. Here the sulfonamide is compete with the para-aminobenzoic acid. This is all about the sulfonamides. Here different drugs are mentioned. You can go through it as your requirement. So today we study about that the sulfonamide are the first chemotherapeutic agent. They are used for the treatment of bacterial infection. They contain two groups, a sulfonamide group and an anilo group. Here is the classification. Then we get where R is substituted from functional group or heterocyclic ring and becomes, if they are replaced by acetyl group, then sulfacetamide. If there is a pyrimidine ring, then it is sulfadiazine. If it is replaced by oxazole, then it is known as sulfamethoxazole. So this is all about the different drugs used for antimicrobial action. This is the definition and classification. This is the mechanism of action, adverse reaction, Here different drugs are mentioned like sulfasalazine, silver sulfadiazine, trimethoprim. You can take screenshot. This is for the today class. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe the channel.